xTool recently launched their new template platform called Atomm. I'm going to show you how to make a personalized keychain for a teacher using their new smart templates. Click the template icon on the left. Type in the word SMART to find the smart templates. They have a blue icon on the top right corner. I'm going to click on this name tag template to help make the keychain. You can easily edit the text, and a new outline for the name will generate automatically. You can change the font as well, but I like the default font choice. And because we're making this for a teacher, I changed the icon to an apple. I also toggled off the second hanging hole. We're almost done designing the keychain. Let's adjust the settings for our chosen material. I will be using 3mm acrylic sheets. The design is ready to be sent to the laser for processing now.